Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. If you want a really fun, easy read with you and your children, David Gets in Trouble is one of our family's favorites. This is such a cute book. I love the sketched kind of design in the illustrations. It is so cute. And everything David gets in trouble for and every consequence he suffers is something totally relatable to children growing up everywhere. I absolutely love the fact that this is such an easy read so that our kids can do it on their own, but it's quick so that when you don't have tons of time to necessarily read anything too lengthy, this is such a great option and everyone enjoys it. It is a very fun and humorous kind of book, but the ending is excellent. I love the fact that it ends with, "I love you, Mom." It just warmed my heart. Anyway, I think that you're gonna love it so much. I am sold on it and all the other books like it, and that's my point of view.